Hi everyone, I'm Trung, founder and CEO of dronepro.vn. Today, traffic jam is the biggest problem everywhere in the world, especially in urban area. Why do we face traffic jams? Because we already have one grid surface, but we need to share all of the moving purpose. And who can solve this problem? We earn billions of US dollars in profit. dronepro.vn start with a smaller market segment. When you live in apartment and high-rise building, if you order something online like food, medicine, total time of your transaction is really about 45 minutes. It includes the time for the seller to process your product, the time for the shipper to move in urban area with many traffic conditions, and the time for you to go down to the main gate of the building to receive the stuff, then turn back to your apartment to consume. Moreover, cost of delivery in urban area is increasing because cheaper living standards is increasing. Our solution is create a smart drone system that deliver the goods and service directly from the seller to the buyer in a high-rise building. You will save 25 to 30 minutes in your total transaction time because you can receive the order at the balcony of the apartment. This is very safety platform because we add many safety standards and functions to the drone. And you can save money about 50% of the delivery cost because this is the autonomous system. You can make money when you own one of our delivery drone. The commercial drone market increased 20% per year and we reach 43 billion US dollars in 2024. In that, the delivery drone segment is the fastest growth segment. Accumulation in investment right now is 4.4 billion US dollars. So she is very high profitable market. The ratio is 1:10. Our product comes from two components. First is the virtual infrastructure for the flying object in the city. This is a strict surface system based on information and physical plan. It's a very easy manageable flight route for the drone in urban areas. Second is a smart drone system for logistics with many payloads, and we add the radar and sensor for the drone to detect and avoid the potential collisions. And many safety standards like airbag, parachute, all the data transfers to the mobile internet, high speed, 4G and 5G. So distance is not a problem. And this is the multi-function platform for high-rise building. You can convert the delivery function to other functions like cleaning closet, painting outside, or firefighting. Our solution have a strong competitive advantage compared to other players. First, size efficiency. Our size just the delivery case size. Second, it's a very strong balance system for heavy payload. Third, is safety standard. And there are no security issues because no free flight, no camera. And we focus just on the unit market, is high-rise building service. Our business models have three types of revenue. First, high-rise building service fee like cleaning classes, painting outside, firefighting. Second is the sales revenue. Up period, we sell delivery drone directly to the public and then receive the delivery fees and return about 20% per year. And last one is the patent license. With this business model, we create a totally new market in the globe, value 48 billion US dollars. This is a smart drone platform for high-rise building. Our go-to-the-market strategy has three stages. First is service stage. Second is production stage. And when we increase the range and the payload enough, we can transport human in urban area. And at that time, we can solve the traffic jam problem completely. Our team assembles from many talents: physics, mechatronics, computer science, aviation technology, programming, multi-copter system, and we have a strong board of advisors in security and information system, data science and AI application, and legal support. Our customers is waiting to use the commercial solutions. Right now, we ask for 2 years of financing to support our R&D facility, talent, and convert our current prototype to the commercial product. And we plan to pay high dividend for sponsors. Thank you.